Hello travellers, so today we're taking a quick look at the Chums Surfshorts Wallet. As soon as I saw this wallet, I knew that it would be a great travel wallet, especially for countries where cash is still the main form of payment, like Japan and Thailand and Southeast Asia. The zippered pockets make for great coin pockets too, which I'll get into a bit more detail later in the review. The Chums Surfshorts Wallet is so named because it's made from the same material as surfing shorts. It is a slightly misleading name though, because I originally assumed that this would be a totally waterproof wallet, but that isn't the case. It is somewhat water resistant, but water will quickly penetrate into the wallet through the seams and the zippers if exposed. The wallet comes in a wide variety of colours and various styles too, both with and without the ID window. I have the grey here with the ID window, but I also like the olive green version. It has two zippered compartments. The first one gives access to the ID window, and there's also a divider between the ID window and the rear part. I use the ID window side for my cards and the other side of the divider for coins. On the other side of the wallet is another zippered pocket, but just one large compartment with no divider. I use this one for cash notes. The size is quite small though, so you will have to fold the notes at least once or twice before they will fit inside this compartment. The wallet expands a surprising amount, and I was able to fit quite a lot of notes folded into the pockets, even with the coins and the cards on the other side. There is also a quick access pocket on the opposite side of the ID window of the wallet. I use this to store a transport card when I didn't have any keys attached, but it also does have a keyring on a tether which slides in and out of this pocket. And for part of the trip I use this to attach a room key, as you can see here. It's a great little setup and I found it very comfortable to use even with fully packed and with keys and notes and cards inside. The price of the wallet is just $9.99 US or 14 Australian, which is ridiculously cheap for such a nice little versatile wallet. It does feel quite well made, but I did notice the paint chipping off the zippers after just a couple of weeks of use. Overall, a great wallet, especially for traveling to countries with coins, and I definitely suggest checking it out if you're in the market for a new wallet. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know down in the comments which kind of wallet that you use for traveling, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.